AI is coming for your job. But it doesn't have to. Because the people who win in this new era are the ones who learn how to use AI, not fear it. Right now, AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Sora are changing industries. Tasks that used to take hours now take seconds. Emails, graphics, code, even video editing. Let's be honest, things are moving fast. And yeah, some jobs are being automated. But here's the truth most people miss. AI isn't replacing jobs, it's replacing tasks. And the people who know how to use AI will be the ones who keep their jobs, or even get promoted. So if you're worried AI will replace you, don't panic, pivot. Here's the mindset shift. Think of AI like a calculator. It didn't kill math, it made people better at math. Same with AI. It's a power tool for your brain. You don't need to code. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need to learn how to use the tools that are already out there. Let me give you a few real-life examples. Office worker? Use ChatGPT to write reports, summarize meetings, or clean up emails in seconds. Designer? Use Midjourney or Ideogram to create mock-ups or concept art instantly. Marketer or content creator? Let AI generate headlines, scripts, captions, and even edit videos for you. Freelancer or business owner? Use AI to draft client proposals, generate leads, or build entire websites without touching code. The point is this: you don't have to fight AI. You have to use it. Start simple. Pick one tool that fits your world, and master it. Because the scary truth is this: if you're not learning AI right now, someone else is. And that person is going to get the job, the promotion, or the client, not because they're better, but because they're faster, more efficient, and AI assisted. But here's the good news. If you lean into this shift, if you take time to learn and adapt, you won't just survive, you'll stand out. And opportunities will come to you, not pass you by. So what do you do next? Pick one AI tool to learn, use it to solve a real problem you have, practice daily. Even for 10 minutes, follow channels like this one to stay ahead. Don't wait until your job is on the line. Start now, while you have the chance to lead, not catch up. Because here's the bottom line: AI won't replace you. But someone using AI will.